Another day, another English lesson. Phrasal verbs with put. Phrasal verbs are an essential part of English, adding variety and subtlety to our speech. One common example is put up, which can mean to provide housing or accommodation for someone. Just as putting up guests shows hospitality, many other phrasal verbs with put have unique meanings and uses. Let's explore 8 of these phrasal verbs to expand your vocabulary. Put up. This means to provide accommodation or housing for someone. For example, if a friend stays overnight at your place, you are putting them up. Example: we put up our relatives for the weekend. Put off. This refers to postponing or delaying something. For instance, if you procrastinate or decide to delay an activity, you put it off. Example: they put off the meeting until next week. Put on. This means to wear or dress in something. For example, when you wear clothes, makeup, or accessories, you put them on. Example: she put on her jacket before heading outside. Put away. This refers to returning something to its proper place after use. For example, after finishing a task, you put away your tools or items. Example: after dinner, he put away the dishes. Put out. This means to extinguish something, such as a fire, light, or cigarette. Example: the firefighters worked quickly to put out the fire. Put together. This refers to assembling or combining different parts to form a whole. For example, assembling furniture or creating a team involves putting things together. Example: they put together a new bookshelf for their living room. Put down. This means to place something onto a surface, like putting an object down on the floor or table. Example: he put down his bag by the door when he came home. Put aside. This means to save or set something aside for future use. Often used when referring to money or resources. Example: she put aside a portion of her salary each month for savings. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the correct preposition. One. We need to put off the project until we have enough funding. Two. After shopping, he put away the groceries in the kitchen. Three. The hotel put up several guests during the conference. Four. After a long hike, they put down their backpacks on the ground. Five. He always puts aside some money each month for emergencies. Six. He puts on a warm coat and scarf when leaving the house. Seven. It took an hour or two to put together the furniture. Eight. The firefighters quickly put out the car fire. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.